Hey guys, it's Summer and today I'm doing the craziest video like ever. It's called Paris Scavenger Hunt Challenge. So in a second my dad will be handing me a bag, a very, very important bag. This bag right here. In this bag I have all the stuff I need for my challenge, including an envelope with all the rules. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start with the rules. Okay, where is it? Here we go. Okay. So this is the envelope. Ooh, I like it! Little thingy-mabob, little Eiffel Tower. Okay, let me open it. We're at a time limit here. Wait, well, that was great opening. Wow, I am the master. Okay. Okay, let's see. Summer, to win this challenge, you need to complete at least 14 of the 17 tasks within 7 hours. So you have approximately 30 minutes for each task. And your time starts now. Okay, task. Take a selfie at the Eiffel Tower with someone you've never met before. Make slime at the Arc de Triomphe. Go to a cafe that many poets have eaten at and write a 4-line poem in 3 languages. Negotiate with a vendor at the Louvre Park. Get it for cheaper than the asking price. Take selfie on a pillar overlooking the Louvre Pyramid. Sing 10 seconds of the Mozart opera on the stairs of the Bastille Opera House. Go to an absinthe bar over, oh my God, order sparkling water and food coloring to make it green. And drink 1 full glass without stopping. Oh my God, so gross. Make a sketch of a painting at the Musée d'Orsay while sitting in the Court Mars of the Musée d'Orsay. Buy surprise goodbye gifts for favorite teachers from a famous Paris store named Colette, spending under 20 euros. Oh my God. Dance for 30 seconds in front of the Moulin Rouge. Get a falafel in the Saint-Germain-des-Prés. Go to a high fashion store on the Avenue Montaigne and take a selfie of an outfit that has a lot of yellow. Put a combination lock on the Seine Bridge with initials of you and someone you love. Take a selfie near a Ferrari or Lamborghini on the Champs-Élysées. Draw a sketch of the Pompidou Museum while sitting at a nearby cafe having a citron pressé. Get someone to say, I love summer in 5 different languages. What? Do a math challenge with a stranger, an adult, involving mental multiplication and win. Crap, this is crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the bag. Okay. I have a clipboard with a thing. That's gonna come in handy. I have borax and glue, which I'm gonna need, yes, definitely, and some utensils. I have a map, that's gonna come in handy. Food coloring, oh my God. I have a lock, a Sharpie, and a pen. Oh my God, guys, this is crazy. I have a jar, more food coloring. Okay, that's everything. Now let's do this challenge. Okay, so what am I gonna start with? Let me figure this out. Oh my God, guys, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna keep out my map because I'm gonna need that. Let's go. So let's figure out what I wanna do first. Okay, oh my God, guys, this is crazy. Okay, take a selfie. Oh my God, okay. Okay, negotiate with a vendor at the Louvre. There's a couple things that are at the Louvre. Let's go to the Louvre. Okay guys, so right now I'm at the Louvre and I'm gonna be doing number 4, which is negotiate with a vendor at Louvre Park and get it cheaper for what it really is. So for this challenge, I have a €5 limit. So I have these €5 and I have to be able to get something €5 that's cheaper than it should be. So I'm kind of scared, but I'm gonna go try this. I wanna be getting a black selfie stick, okay. Hello. How much is the black selfie stick?
It's 10 euros.
10 euros? Oh, I only have 5.
Give me that.
But like, I only have 5 euros. I have it. Thank you. Bye. Yes, task number 4 accomplished. Okay, so my next challenge is take a selfie on a pillar overlooking the Louvre Pyramid. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Wanna look nice. Okay. Yay, I did it! Okay. Hey, okay, so now I'm gonna be doing the next thing, which is where I'm gonna go to the Musée d'Orsay and I'm going to make a sketch of painting at the Musée d'Orsay, and I'm picking to do the Starry Night by Van Gogh. So let's go. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the sun place and put on the walk. So that's gonna be exciting. And then I'm gonna go eat, and then there I'm gonna plan out the rest of my trip. Hey guys, so I found out that Starry Night's actually in the MoMA in New York City. So I ended up doing Poppies by Claude Monet, which is definitely the Musée d'Orsay instead. Okay, I'm gonna start. So I have, start by doing a little. There we go. That's the drawing. Similarities, not possible. This is great. Moving on. Hey guys, so next I'm going to be doing put a combination mark on Seine Bridge with initials of someone you love. So let's go do that. Oh my god guys, look what they did to the bridge. They took up all of the blocks and now there's no place to put my special block. So this is one of the challenges, but now I'm probably not going to do this one because this one's too special. If you guys remember this lack, then give this video a big thumbs up. This is from my back to school life hacks video. So sadly, since we can't lock it on a bridge, we can just lock it on air. Ta-ding! So for the falafel in Paris, we were gonna go here, which is called Chez Lebanese, which is like my favorite. But look at that line. We don't have time. We're on a scavenger line. So luckily, there is this falafel right across the street. We can get one too. So pretty much, we kind of had a fail. So this is our falafels. We're eating them now, and we're planning some stuff out for the rest of the scavenger hunt. But the audio, oh my god, my mic turned off in the last scene, which is why the last bit of audio isn't so good, and why this audio isn't the best. But we will get it salvaged, and it will be better by the next scene. Let's eat. Hey guys, so now we are doing number 3, go to a cafe that many great poets have eaten at, and write a 4-line poem. So let's write a poem. Okay, so now we finished with the poems. So we have roses are red, violets are blue, YouTube is us, and so are you. So we have that in English, Spanish, and French. And in Spanish and French, I decided to change it to fantastic and fantastico because it makes more sense. Because awesome in these languages doesn't just work out as well. So in Spanish it's rosas son rojas, violetas son azules, YouTube es fantástico y tú también. And then in French it's rosas son rouges, violettes son bleues, YouTube es fantastique et vous aussi. Okay, so now we got out of the car and we planned out some stuff and where some stuff is. So we got that done, and now we're going to be making some slime at the Champs-Élysées and the Arc de Triomphe. Now we're gonna go and try to go to Montagne to do the next one, but on the way we're gonna try to find a selfie of a fancy car. Let's go. Hey guys, so right now we're on the Champs-Élysées at this really pretty Louis Vuitton store, about to turn for Montague soon, and we found a Lamborghini, so let's go take a selfie in front of that. Got it. So now we're doing go to a high fashion store on Avenue Montague and take a selfie with an outfit that has a lot of yellow. So right now we're on Avenue Montague, and this is a really cute like, yellow dress. I want to take a photo. There, we got it. Okay, so right now we just figured out what we're gonna do in the order. So first I like to start with, we couldn't do these two, this one right here, the combination, and this one because all of the stores of Colette and Paris all closed, so now we have nowhere to go. So no Colette, so yeah. So what we decided to do is first we're gonna go, so as of now, we're now gonna go to the Moulin Rouge to do 30 seconds of dancing. Then we're gonna do the sing for 10 seconds in front of the Bastille Opera House. Then we're gonna go to the draw a sketch at the Pompidou Museum while sitting at a nearby cafe having a citron Orsay. Then we're gonna go to an absinthe bar and do the stuff we're gonna do. And then finally we're gonna go to take a selfie at the Eiffel Tower with someone I've never met before. Oh, and also the math one about doing a math challenge with a stranger. We're gonna do that whenever we find someone who can do it with us. To the Moulin Rouge we go. Okay, so right now we're at the Moulin Rouge and I have to dance for 30 seconds. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's a wrap. Okay, so we're done with the Moulin Rouge and now we're at the Bastille Opera House and I have to sing part of a Mozart opera thing, and now I'm gonna do that. Okay. Hey guys, so now we're on to number 15. This is draw a sketch of the Pompidou Museum while sitting at a nearby cafe having citron Orsay. Pompidou, citron Orsay. If you guys don't know what citron Orsay is, it's just like squeezed lemon, lime stuff, well lemon, and then you add water to it, and it tastes really good. But some people who are very rebellious, like me, will rarely add water to it, and then they also use sugar, but I'm healthy. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what my drawing is at the end. So here is my drawing. This is what we got. I tried to make it look as much like the Pompidou as possible. Let's do a comparison. I mean, you know, you see it. You have the 3 pipes right there. Then you have a couple pipes, a couple more pipes. Then you have these like crossy bar thingies, and some more farther down there. That's what we got. On to the next thing. Okay, so now we're doing the go to an absinthe bar, order sparkling water, and add food coloring to make it green, and drink 1 full glass without stopping. So, absinthe is a illegal drink that is a green alcoholic drink that people, because it's super bitter, they pour it through like one of those spoons that has like holes in it, and they put a sugar cube on it to make it sweeter so that they can drink it less, like, I don't know, because it's super bitter. So I'm going to be recreating that by having sparkling water and adding blue and yellow food coloring to it to make it green. But it was closed, so we gotta work with what we can get. There was a supermarket, it worked out. Okay, so let's do it. Sparkling water, blue, a couple drops of blue, there's some yellow, turn it. So, that was very intense. Do my teeth look green? Okay, let's go to the next thing. Okay, so right now we are approaching the Eiffel Tower to do 2 of my final things to win 13th and 14th thing. So, we will be doing number 1, which is take a selfie at the Eiffel Tower with someone you've never met before, and 17, which is do a math challenge with a stranger. So, let's go. So luckily I found someone who can help me and take the photo with me. So we're going to be doing the first one, which is take a photo in front of the Eiffel Tower with a stranger. So let's take a photo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yay! So luckily again I found someone who can help me with the math problem part, which is my last one to win. So ask me my question.
Okay, you ready? 41 times 18.
738.
That's correct.
Yay! I did! Yay!
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Guys, I won. Whoopee! Okay, so I did 14 of the 17, so I won. So I'm happy, very happy. And without further ado, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if I should do more kind of like hunt things outside and stuff. Oh, by the way, if you guys are following me on Instagram, then good job. And if you're not, what are you doing? And don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you never miss any of my videos, because I'd be sad. Love you. Bye.
Getting faded over there. We made it over there. We keep designer on our body, girl. We major over there. Just tell your friends to put their purses on this table.